All right, so now I have my worn 10S Platinum right here. To do a little bit of an unboxing video. All I did was just open up the first shipping box, so this is all new to me. This thing weighs, I think, about 200 pounds. So, got some staples here, some good industrial staples. Let's get these out. Alright, got the 3 staples out. Oh, 3 more. Now, like I said, this is technically my 3rd Jeep. My first Jeep was a TJ. I didn't really build it that much, bought it used, had a cracked frame, so got a 13 Wrangler first and Sport, built that up pretty nice, but I wanted the Rubicon for the lockers and the upgraded axles and whatnot. So this isn't my first rodeo, so I have decided with this Jeep to cry once, buy once. It's going to be, I am buying some higher end stuff. I'm not sponsored by anybody, but I'm buying the higher end stuff because I really don't want to be reinstalling a winch multiple times. There are some companies out there that have lifetime warranties and they're pretty good. They just send you a whole new winch. But, so let's go. Here we go. So this looks like all the So it's the Fairlead, the worn Fairlead here. I think that's for UV protection. I gotta read all these directions. I've never bought one before. The Haas Fairlead. Zeon 10S 8S Zeon Platinum synthetic rope. Went with synthetic over cable. Live in Ohio, and the harsh conditions here are not very good to Jeeps. So, let's see, here's the instruction manual. Nice little sticker. Don't forget to register. Register your product. Synthetic rope installation guide. It's probably multiple languages. Yep. Be reading all these later on. Don't forget to register. Here is the cord. Worn in, line in, line out. Very nice. All right, here's all the goodies, all the hardware, the recovery hook on the other end of the cable. Now the beast. Here she is. Get this out. There she is, all nice and pretty. Zeon 10S. Pretty nice piece of equipment. So, bad boy's going on this Jeep tonight. Life is good. Probably not going to get to completely hook it up. I don't think we'll be that ambitious tonight of getting everything hooked up. So, Have a good one.